back to my channel. So today is Saturday and I'm just taking the sheets off the bed so I can get those washed.
You're seeing you around, stayed away from falling down, but now I hit the ground. You asked me how I've been, now you see that I'm with him. I bet you wish you knew if I'm forgetting about you, 'cause you know I really tried.
Okay, and now I'm just showing the items that I got from Aldi.
To the tide, but now it's baby back, right? I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. All these people in this crowd think they're all missing out. I guess they used to be me, but now I just wanna leave. I just wanna leave. 'Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side, drifted away into the tide, but now it's baby back, right? I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go.
Okay, and now the sheets are completely clean and dry, so I'm just putting them back on the bed.
Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. You'll never be enough. That's why I gave you up.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Okay, now it's the next day, it's Sunday, and I'm just picking up the living room.
That I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing.
Okay, and now since it's the next day, it's time for me to make the bed.
All of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself.
Okay, and now I'm just starting the meal prep that I always do on Sundays.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
just putting the leftover pasta in different containers so it'll stay fresh.
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again.
Now I'm just rinsing all the dishes and putting them in the dishwasher and cleaning the sink out.
Better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Like strangers again.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still.
Okay, and now I'm just using a scrub daddy to clean off the countertop, and it actually worked really well.
Out again, still I need ya. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're missing. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light my fire.
Now after cleaning the kitchen, I'm just cleaning the master bathroom.
Always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, I need it. You light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need it. Weak for you, yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you, yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you
Okay, and now after cleaning the master bathroom, I'm just moving on to the second guest bathroom.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could.
Okay, now it's time for me to vacuum the whole house.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that you have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too.
Okay, and now I'm just showing a small little Trader Joe's fall haul.
You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your...
Okay, and now it's just time for me to mop the whole house. I'm still mopping with Thieves and I absolutely love it. It makes the house smell amazing and the floor feels super clean.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that you have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
If I could go back and make things right, I would have it undone. No, I hurt you. Yeah, I was blind. The blame is mine. Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You and me, we work everything out. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better than you. Than you. Than you. No one can love me better. Can we talk it out? Make things right. I can feel us growing colder. I made my bed. Yeah, I'm not proud. It was just a mistake. You should know that. I really do regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Whoa, know that I regret it. Hope we find our way.
Okay, and now it's just time for me to empty out the mop bucket and clean the utility sink.
But we tried to make everything better. You, baby, and me. We work everything out. No one can love me better.
now it's just time for me to steam clean the second bathroom. Okay, and now I'm just refilling some of my laundry detergent jars and cleaning the laundry room.
I would do anything. I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame?
Okay, and now I'm going to attempt to make this stain stick with using Thieves laundry soap and household cleaner and lemon essential oil, and I do make a mess, but I decided to leave that in because that's real life.
About our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
Okay, and here I am just adding a little bit of Halloween decor. I'm adding this. It has a little candle in the back. It's really cute. And then I also have a diffuser inside of a pumpkin. And I'm so sorry for the mess. I just got a Grove order and it was right outside of the pumpkin. Thank you so much for watching my cleaning video. Please subscribe.
Going down as I try to make my